this channel, you can find answers for ISC and CBSE board examination questions. I have one more channel. In that, you can find lessons on economics, statistics, and mathematics. Students of economics shall get immense benefit from these two channels. I have a blog also where you can find supports to do projects. Links are given in the description. Equilibrium, income determination, aggregate demand, and aggregate supply approach. Now the question. Explain how equilibrium level of income can be determined with the help of aggregate demand and aggregate supply curve. This is a 6-mark ISC economics question appeared in March 2017. First, state the assumptions. 1. There are only two sectors in the economy, household sector and firm sector. 2. Consumption function is stable. 3. Investment is autonomous. 4. It is a short period analysis. 5. Price is constant. 6. Interest rate is constant. 7. There are unemployed resources. Now look at the graph. Y equal to C plus S is the aggregate supply curve. C represents consumption function. C plus I is the aggregate demand curve. At point E1, the aggregate demand curve cuts the aggregate supply curve. The economy is in equilibrium. Y1 is equilibrium income. Aggregate demand is Y1 E1. Aggregate supply is also Y1 E1. Moreover, communities' planned consumption spending is Y1G. Communities' planned savings is GE1. Communities' planned investment is also GE1. Hence, savings is equal to investment. No other income level will bring about such equality. Consider income Y0. It is less than the equilibrium income Y1. The economy cannot be in equilibrium for the reasons: 1. The aggregate demand Y0 E0 is greater than the aggregate supply Y0 K. Aggregate demand is greater than aggregate supply. 2. The planned savings is DK and planned investment is DE0. Investment is greater than savings. There is excess demand condition in the economy. To meet the excess demand KE0, businessmen will use their inventories. There will be a reduction in inventories. In order to stop further decline in their inventories, businessmen will increase production by undertaking new investment. As a result of this, output, income, and employment will increase in the economy. This process will continue till the equilibrium level of income Y1 is restored again. Now consider income Y2. It also cannot be an equilibrium income for the reasons: 1. The aggregate demand is Y2J. The aggregate supply is Y2E2. Aggregate supply is greater than aggregate demand. 2. Communities' planned savings is HE2, but planned investment is HJ. Savings is greater than investment. There is excess supply condition in the economy. This unsold part of output is accumulated by businessmen in the form of unintended inventories. In order to avoid further accumulation of unwanted inventories, they will reduce investment. As a result of this, output, income, and employment will fall. This process will continue till equilibrium level of income y1 is re-established again. Answer ends here. We shall meet again in the next lesson.
Yo te traigo esta bomba.